welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we are going to be playing with eyeshadow, but most importantly we're going to be playing with the new Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. This cute little baby right here. I'm pretty excited about it. I've already played with a few of the shadows. Well, let me rephrase that. I have swatched a few of the shadows and they feel so smooth, so soft, velvety. They feel amazing, so I'm pretty excited about this palette. The only thing I do not like about the palette is the fact that the mirror flips up and it doesn't go, oh, I mean, I guess it does, but I just made mine all limp now. Oh wait, maybe we can set the palette up like this. Maybe. Okay, we'll have to play with that. I don't have any room. But anyways, this is the palette. It's so pretty. I love it. I am so into these shades, you guys. I'm just, yes, I'm excited. But they swatch so good. Like, it looks like you went over the swatch like 5 times, but you only swatch it like once. That's like how pigmented they are. So hopefully they like do really well on the eyes. I love these 2 green shades. I love these shades. I pretty much like every single shade in this palette. Yeah, I don't really think there's a shade I don't like in here. Awesome. But today I wanted to focus more on, like, I don't know, a dark look. I'm not sure if I'm going to do multiple looks. We'll just have to see how this video goes. But for now, yeah, we're just going to play around and we'll see what happens. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to start playing, and yeah, I guess we'll just see where this video takes us. But before we get into the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And don't forget to enter my giveaway that I am having right now. I'll put a card right here. And let's go ahead and get into the video. And I know you can't tell, but I'm putting Fast Lane on the bottom corner of my eye. So that's it for the looks today. I did 6 and I used just about over half of these shades, I think. Pretty sure. But yeah, I really do like this one though. I tried something with that. It's whatever. But if you guys liked this video, thumbs it up. I'll do more videos like this. I'm not like the best at eyeshadow, but I'm trying. And somehow I like winged my eyeliner today for the first time on accident, and it looked really good, so I just kind of went with it. But I kind of think this one's my favorite look out of all of them. I don't know, it just makes me think of the fall. I don't know. But yeah, I had fun with it. I was gonna do more because I'm having so much fun with this, but this eye's kind of burning a lot. Like, I have a dog scratch right here, so every time like I wipe away, it just kind of burns. So I'm done for today with the eye looks, but I hope you guys like it. Hopefully it's not a long video. We'll see once I edit it, but yeah. And I'm sure these eye looks would look a lot better if, you know, my concealer wasn't completely gone either. I look a little dead, kind of like a zombie. Or is that one? No, this is a zombie. Anyways, yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, again, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!